How to achieve financial freedom in India step-by-step guide. Did you know that Indian schools never teach us how to manage money, inflation or investing? You were taught how to earn, not how to grow your money, and that ends now. Hi, I'm Taresh Bhatia, Certified Financial Planner CFP. With over 37 years of experience, I have helped over 10,000 individuals and families achieve their real financial freedom with purpose, clarity, and values leading to happiness, joy, and success. Today, I'm on a mission to empower 100,000 Indian families to live rich, happy, and a financially free life together. This isn't about any tips, it's about building real wealth with values. What you will learn in my channel every week, I share practical, jargon-free videos. Mondays, beginner money skills. Wednesdays, investments breakdowns. Saturdays, wealth building insights and practical ideas. 3 times a week, 7:30 IST. Why this matters? This is India's only finance channel by a certified financial planner that connects your money with your goals, relationships, and emotions. Because freedom isn't a spreadsheet, it's an alignment. Belonging beats balance sheets. Hit the bell button now, subscribe, and join this movement. Welcome to Financial Freedom, where money meets meaning, and financial freedom begins with the family, the Indian way.